So once food leaves the stomach, it's now called chyme, and it enters the small intestine. And at this point, two accessory organs become involved. So accessory organ just means that it's not technically part of the gastrointestinal tract or digestive system, but because it secretes things that are needed by the digestive system, it's called an accessory organ. So those are the gallbladder and the pancreas. And the gallbladder actually is also attached to the liver. So the liver makes a substance called bile. It's a greenish yellow substance, and that bile travels to the gallbladder where it's stored. And then you can see here the gallbladder is attached to the small intestine. So once a food or chyme enters the small intestine, chemical signals travel to the gallbladder. Gallbladder releases bile, and bile actually emulsifies fat. So that just means that it gets it into really small droplets and disperses it within the small intestine so that it's more easily broken down. And then the other accessory organ is the pancreas. And the pancreas is involved in a lot. It releases hormones within the body like insulin, but it's an accessory organ to the digestive system because it releases a few enzymes that are involved. So you can see here the pancreas is attached to the small intestine. And so it releases what's called pancreatic lipase, and that helps to break down lipids. Remember, lipids are fats and oils. And it also secretes and releases into the small intestine pancreatic amylase, which helps to digest or break down carbohydrates. And it releases proteases, which help to digest protein. And then also bicarbonate is secreted by the pancreas. So that is something that's very basic. So that means the opposite of acidic. And so that helps to to neutralize the acid that enters the stomach or enters the small intestine from the stomach when the chyme comes in.